सेक्शन 1.1 का ऑब्जेक्टिव 2। तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं सेक्शन 1.1 का ऑब्जेक्टिव नंबर 2। ऑब्जेक्टिव 1 हम लोग ने पहले ही ऑफलाइन में कर लिया है, ठीक है। तो ऑब्जेक्टिव 2 क्या कह रहा है? एक्सप्लोर फाइनेंशियल फंक्शन। तो फंक्शन का मतलब आप जानते हो कि जहाँ पर डिपेंडेंट और इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स होते हैं, जैसे y इज इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 3। तो y इज़ वॉट? डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल एंड x इज़ इंडिपेंडेंट, ठीक है ना। क्यों? वेन एवर यू पुट a value to the x, you will get answer of y according to the value of x. So the value of y is totally depend on the x. So this is the way we define the function, and in function dependent and independent, right? So what we are going to explore, there are different mode of function, different way to explore the function. Now we are exploring the function financially. Like what we are going to do in finance accounting or in finance database, what kind of function we can use. We'll study on this topic. We are now going to explore some financial function and develop financial literacy. At the same time, the following example will introduce you to loan and their associated payment. So where we are going to explore the financial function, we'll explore or we'll apply financial function regarding the matter of loans or some financial investment, or you can say providing the loan, long term loan or short term loan, whatever, and how to find the interest rate. Or if you're talking about the investment, if you're investing somewhere on any company, so how to find the profit rate and all, so we'll apply the financial function on these types of relations. So using credit card is a type of loan. See, credit card भी क्या है? It's a loan. हम लोग क्रेडिट कार्ड यूज़ करते हैं तो लोन ही तो होता है शॉर्ट टर्म में। द क्रेडिट कार्ड company is lending you money called the principal. What we lend the money, or we take the loan. Like if we are giving loan someone, that is called principal, or we are taking loan from someone, the same term we can use the principal, ठीक है ना। lending in what sense? If we are giving loan, we are providing loan, we will use the word lend. Okay, what word we will use? Lend. Like we are giving money to someone as a loan. Okay, if we are taking money for our help on interest rate, so we will call loan. What word you can use? Loan. So both are same. It depend in which direction or by which relation you are using it. So for the both term, like we can use the word borrow, we can use the word principal. Okay, so these types of word we can use for the loan. So call the principal, we were here, call the principal to buy something. In exchange they will charge you interest every month on what you owe them, call the balance. 1 month is called period for this type of loan. So for the credit per card purpose, because this is very short term loan, for the credit card purpose loan, we calculate the interest on the basis of the month, not annual, because credit card आपको पता है क्रेडिट कार्ड में वो हाउ वी यूज़ दी अमाउंट only for 45 days, 60 days, इतना या फिर you have very good credit in your bank, so you can use for the 3 months. So there are different types of schemes where the credit cards are used. So it is not a long term loan where we use interest rate on yearly basis. So it's a very short term loan. So if interest rates are given on annually, so you can convert into monthly divided by 12. You got it? So period will be using here as a month, like monthly period we will use for the credit card type of loan, and that periodic that rate which is based on monthly charge is called periodic rate. The periodic rate is equal to APR upon N. Like what we are doing, what we are doing here, we are converting or we are transforming our annual rate into months. It's like that. Okay. What annual rate will be given? See, annual percentage. Annual is what? Yearly rate. What yearly rate? Like for example, yearly rate given is to 12%. 12%. But now we have to find the interest rate on the monthly basis. So just divide by 12. So it will be 1% only. Don't calculate the percent. It will be just a symbolic figure here. So don't put the 12 upon 100 and again don't do this. Just do 12 upon 12. Like if you are given annual rate 6%. Annual rate 6%. Okay, so for the 6 it is annual rate, and now you have to convert into periodic rate according to the that window is open upon 12. So you can convert into monthly base. That will be your monthly, that will be 0.5 percentage. Okay, so now you can find the periodic interest by calculating or using this formula APR upon N. You can put whole formula here, place the whole formula here, and into balance. Balance is what? That your amount, what balance figure, and look, the balance figure will be changed on every month. Like for example, you have used 5,000 as from your credit card. Okay, the next month this amount will become, for example, it become 5,500. Okay, by calculating through this formula, so the new balance will be 5,500. For the next month you will take 5,500. So this is very important. Don't use the word here principal. Principal will be only 5,000. But for the every month, if you are not paying it paying it to your bank, not refunding your money or not repaying your loan, the balance will be add up on every month, and that add will be it will be like a compound interest based type. Like every month it get increase. Is it clear now? So see, the compound interest is the same word is given here, and I think whole thing that I have taught you before about the compound interest and the principal everything. Anyway, we'll solve the problem, then you will get it easily. You have balance of $650 on your credit card with an APR is 16%. So this APR is annual base. Okay, now you have to calculate on monthly base. So just change into monthly, do the 16% divide by 12. Okay, so you will get on monthly base rate. So the next part what is asking, what happened to your interest if the APR is only 10.5%. See, the main motto of question is here is that if APR is 16%, then what will be your interest? If APR is decreasing by 5.5, that is 10.5. Okay, APR is decreased to 10.5%, then what will be your new interest rate? So you have just a comparison. So what we'll do, first we have to find the interest by calculating 16%, and then find the interest by calculating 10.5%. So for the both rate, you convert it by dividing the 12, because you have to convert into what? Monthly base. So मंथली बेस होगा तो ये निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज नहीं निकाला देन चलेगा, अदरवाइज यू कैन डू डायरेक्टली हियर इन दिस वे दिस कैलकुलेशन, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो आप. और अगर आपको निकालना है अलग से तो 16/12 फाइनल तुम्हें रेट करना है 16/12 लाइक इट इज़ 16%. सो यहाँ पे देखो कंफ्यूज मत होना. सम टाइम इट्स अप टू यू हाउ यू कैलकुलेटिंग इट. अगर आपको यहाँ पे सिर्फ मंथली बेस लेना है पहले मंथली बेस ले लो. तो 16/12 कितना हो गया, जस्ट कैलकुलेट इट. 16/12 ओके आई एम कैलकुलेटिंग इट. आई यूज़ कैलकुलेटर बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव आई एम नॉट आई वो वेट 16/12 it is 1.33. So 1.33 is what? 1.33. Don't forget putting this percentage. Now the percentage here is total calculated value. You have to put the upon 100 below the 1.33. ठीक है. पहले तो क्या करना है, जस्ट मंथली बेस निकाल लो 16/12 करके, बिकॉज इट वॉज 16%. डोंट पुट हियर 16%. ओके, just write 16/12. It will you will get answer 1.33 and then now put 1.3 percentage. So what we are going to do here, we have to calculate the interest rate. Interest rate will be on 650 because the principal amount is 650 and do 1.33 percentage mean upon 100. So इस तरीके से आप कर लो. फाइंड आउट फर्स्ट डिवाइड बाई 12 करके मंथली रेट, that will be your percentage 1.33 percentage and 650 into 1.33 divided by 100. How much you are getting? 8.65. That is round figure 8.65. 8.65 you are getting. This is your interest rate. So what will be your new balance? New balance will be 650. You have to add up 650 ऐड कर दो और नया बैलेंस आ जाएगा फॉर द नेक्स्ट मंथ. सो हेयर यू कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू द चार्ट. 650 है और नया बैलेंस देख लेना कितना आ रहा है. ओके, सो बाय दिस वे यू कैन कंप्लीट योर. सी अब यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, इंटरेस्ट घट रहा है तो घटने वाला लगा लो. 5.89 आ जाए, कम हो जाएगा इंटरेस्ट. जैसे 8.65 आया इन द सेम वे. ठीक है, बाकी मैंने सब करा दिया है आपको. ये पहले मैंने कराया हुआ है. ठीक है, ये सब आप कर लेना. आई हैव कंप्लीटेड इट ऑलरेडी. आई हैव डन इट. ओके, ये सब मैंने करा दिया है. नहीं कराया तो मुझसे पूछ लेना, अदरवाइज आई थिंक वी हैव डन इट.